Notorious and delicious, lionfish are devastating the coastal waters of the Caribbean. Local divers catch this invasive species to save the reefs. Being venomous, care must be taken. A few simple clips and cuts is about all it takes to reveal the sweet, briny, white flesh. I'm preparing a ceviche from my new cookbook, Green Fig and Lionfish. Let's start by dicing the lionfish, then drizzle with fresh lime juice. Add thinly sliced, colorful sweet peppers to add a nice crunch. But the secret ingredient of this ceviche is exotic St. Lucian seasoning peppers. They add so much aromatics. Sliced red onions are enhanced with freshly picked cilantro and seasoned with Caribbean sea salt and a squeeze of lime. Then I mix together the lionfish. Staying local, I use green coconut, chopped open with a machete that reveals a natural bowl. This outstanding ceviche is finished with a drizzle of olive oil. Come get your lionfish at Jade Mountain in St. Lucia.